From the title only, I guess you got to know about today's tutorial. It's all about eyebrows and eyeshadows. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Saga. If you want to know how I created this simple go-to eyeshadow technique and how to do brows, please keep on watching. And if you are new in my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I am going to apply the concealer on my eyelids. Then I am just blending it out with the help of my fingers. And to set it, I am just dabbing my translucent powder. For brows, I am using my Wet n Wild Brow Kit. Here you can see three segments of the colors. First one is a dark brown shade which I will be using to draw my brows and fill it from the middle of my brows to the tail part. Here I am just making an outline of my brows with the dark shade according to my brow shape and just light-handedly filling in all the scanty areas. And make sure you take the product in just a little tad bit of the amount because it is very much pigmented. Here is a tip. I prefer to trim my brows after I made the brow line because it really helps me to know what are the real exact shape of my brows, which will help me to just trim down the excess hairs precisely. Just light-handedly trim down the excess hairs without hurting yourself. Now you can see the difference how neat and crisp my brow is looking. So here I am taking the light brown shade from the palette and filling in the beginning part of my brows. And I am using the same brush from the palette which it has provided. But you can use any brush according to your preference which you feel easy to use. Here I am just finally trimming down the excess long hairs with the help of a scissor. You can see how easy it is to cut the long hairs also after you fully draw your brows. Finally, I am just drawing the brows with the light brown shade in my starting area and filling in the spars. Now to set the brows, I am using the brow wax from the same palette with the help of the spoolie. Now to look it more prominent, I am applying the concealer on both my upper and lower brow line and blending it out with the beauty blender. Now using the translucent powder to set the concealer. Now for the first eyeshadow look, I am taking my Makeup Revolution Roxy palette and taking this blue shade as my transition color. This is basically a skin color. Now taking this K-Beauty eyeshadow stick and applying it all over my eyelid and blending it out with the help of my finger. Make sure you blend it properly so that it merges with the transition shade. Now to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am using this iconic shade from the palette. You can use any palette you have, just see the colors I am using. Now for kajal, I am using my PAC Nude Kajal pencil and applying it onto my outer lower lash line and taking the same transition shade color onto my lower eyelid. Finally, I am just curling my eyelashes and applying a good coat of mascara. Here I am applying my Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. So this is the first look. I hope you liked it. Now let's go to the second look. Now for the second look, I have taken this cookie color from this palette and applying it as my transition shade. Make sure you blend it properly so that there is no harsh lines. Now to fill in my lid, I am taking this same iconic shimmery gold shade and applying it all over my lid. I am just dabbing it with some extra product to give it more consistency. Now to make a wing, I am taking this brown shade Cola from this palette and making a small wing on my outer V with a flat shader brush. for kajal, I am using that same nude shade from PAC. Now I am using my Maybelline Chrome highlighter and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. Now I am curling my lashes and applying the cola shade onto my lower eyelid and blending it out with a flat brush so that there is no harsh lines. For mascara, I am using my same Maybelline Lash Lift mascara. You can use a transparent mascara also if you want. So this is the second eyeshadow look. I hope you like it. Now let's go to the final third look. Now for third look, as a transition shade, I use that blue shade and applying this pink color Inspire on my inner corner and my outer V of my lid. Now taking this iconic shade and applying it into the middle part of my eyelid. And I am using the same color into my inner corner and my brow bone to highlight. Now for lower lid, I am using that same Inspire pink color and blending it out with a small pencil brush. Now applying a thin eyeliner just along my lash line and curling my lashes. Finally just apply a thin coat of mascara and you are done. So this is the final look. I hope you liked it. So if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Till then, see you my lovelies in my next video. Bye and take care.